You need a super easy weeknight meal or something you can just throw together that's a whole entire meal on one. I love this comfort food dish. It's oven roasted sheet pan chicken thighs with sweet potatoes and onions that bakes in about 30 minutes right in the oven. So the first thing that you need to do is just season up your chicken thighs. You can use boneless, bone in, skin on, skin off. These have bone in them, and bone in chicken thighs will take a little bit longer to cook, but not that much longer. So in this goes some olive oil, some dried Italian seasonings, garlic powder, salt and pepper, a little lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. All of those flavors kind of really bring the chicken thighs to life, makes it nice and bright and tastes really delicious. I love a little citrus in there. So then you can store that in the refrigerator for as long as you want. Sometimes I'll meal prep this during lunch so we have it ready for dinner. The longer the chicken thighs marinate before going on the sheet pan meal, the better. So anyways, then it's time to prepare your sweet potato. Oven roasted sweet potato is so delicious. Just chop it up to look like this. These kind of like 1 to 2 inch chunks. And then it's time to season it up with your red onion in there as well. So I just use 1 full red onion. I love red onion. It caramelizes really nicely. All right, so the sweet potato, red onion, olive oil, and some salt. Any flavored sea salt will do that you have. Mix it all up there, and then your veggies are seasoned, and it's time to put it all together and make your one pan sheet pan meal. So first start out by adding in all of the chicken thighs, and then around the chicken thighs add in the vegetables so they roast along with it. Now these vegetables in particular are chosen because they're going to roast the same time as the chicken thighs in the oven. So they're going to roast for about 30 minutes in there at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the chicken is done. Definitely use an internal read thermometer to make sure it's completely cooked. Then it's time to flip around those vegetables in there and broil everything on high for just a few minutes, like 2 to 5. Watch it so the parchment paper doesn't burn until everything's nice and crispy. This is a full, complete meal, and it's super easy for weeknights. Print out the recipe steps at Sip, Bite, Go. Cheers!